Everyone talks about Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Digistore24, Partner Stack, ShareSell, Awin, and lots more. But there's one particular affiliate site nobody's talking about. They're not talking about it on YouTube, they're not talking about it on blogs, but it actually works, okay? And beginners are actually going into this platform because it is 100% low competition. But in this particular video, I'm going to simply break it down for you on what this platform is, how it works, how you can actually get started, how to get approval, and how to start promoting their products. If this is what you'd like to see, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. As you already know, most affiliate programs are popular, but they are also oversaturated, alright? Most of them have low payout, but the website I'm showing you right now is under the radar, alright? They have better commission, they accept beginners, even if your website is 1 day old, and it works in all countries, alright? So what's the hidden website? The hidden website is impact.com, alright? This is not a new affiliate platform. This has been here for so long, but it seems like nobody talks about it on YouTube, nobody writes about it on their blogs. But this particular website is actually doing a great job. So this is an affiliate marketplace where you can actually get lots of advertisers to partner with, okay? As you already know, affiliate marketing is all about getting people's product. Then when you promote this product, these people end up giving you a commission for bringing them sales, all right? This is impact.reduce. They have over 12,000 merchants on this very platform, and they are super low in competition. The best thing I like about this very platform is that most of the affiliate products that you're going to be promoting right here are established platforms, all right? In my previous video, I told you guys about ManyChat. You can see right here we have ManyChat right here. You're gonna see AppSumo, you're gonna see other established platforms. You can see Blogify is also here. This particular platform has established platforms as their brands and also their advertisers, okay? All right, so for you to get started on this very platform, all you need to do is simply head over to your browser and you search for Impact. So once you're on this very section, click on this partner section here. Brand and agency are for advertisers, okay? Because we want to promote and get commission, all right? So on this section, you can sign up with your email or any other Google account you own. So I'm going to simply go ahead and sign up with my Google account. Select your country right here, okay? So remember I told you that this particular platform works in all countries, okay? Your country must be here, okay? Add your phone number right here. Click on accept terms and condition. Click on get started, okay? Then click on verify. They're going to simply ask you the category of your business. So you can select social influencer, content and review, loyalty and rewards, brand deals, and a lot more, okay? So there are a lot of stuff right here. The one you're going to simply select is content and review, okay? So because you're going to be using content and reviews to promote any product you get from this very platform, okay? So click on the continue button. Which method do you want to use to promote? Then you have to simply select the one that matches with whatever you want, okay? For me, I recommend using a blog website, okay, like this one right here. Okay, so this is a new blog. This is a new blog we just built it for my student. But the one I recommend you go for is website because it's just going to simply give you faster approval, and also it's very much easier to get affiliate sales with a website, okay? Just like you're writing a reviews and people sees your reviews on Google, on social media, on Bing, on Yandex, they click on your blog and start visiting. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and get a developer to build your website blog. Remember, this blog can also be monetized with advertisement like Astera, Montag, and lots more, okay? Look, if you don't have a developer, go ahead and join us on our Telegram channel. My team can handle that for you and also develop your own website. You're very much ready to start scaling, okay? So click on this add website. So I'm going to simply add one of my websites here. Then on this section, they said the name only, not the link. You can add another one, but I'm going to simply go with that too. Click on the continue button. Your account will be registered. Once it's registered, they're going to simply review it. So after approval, you're going to simply log into your dashboard. All right, so from this very section, you can simply join any brand of your choice. For instance, if you decide to go for ManyChat, you can simply go ahead and join and apply to promote them. All right, they're going to simply review your application and also approve you, okay? So you can do the same for many products right here. You can search for a specific product right here. If you search for Namecheap, you can see right here there's Namecheap here, okay? So apart from this brand section, we have the product section, all right? So if you click on this section, you're going to see we have find product as well, okay? So apart from promoting brand, you can also promote simple product, like single product, okay, of any niche of your choice, okay? Over 600 million products available on this very platform. You can see all of these things are products you can actually promote. Both physical products and digital products are all here, okay? So all you need to do right now is simply go ahead and pick the one you want for yourself. Once you select the product you want to promote, the next you need to do right now is simply go ahead and write a review post on your blog about this particular stuff, okay? So you can actually get ranking and get traffic from Google, okay? So how does it work? You just have to make sure you head over to your blog website, go to your blog section right here, go to this very section. If my team have already built a blog, they've already added auto blogging, this one is going to be okay for you. You can simply use this strategy to write your reviews 100%. Once you head over to your auto blog website, just come over to this section that says AI content creator. Okay, so click on this AI content creator. Okay, so you can actually see this if my team have already embedded it on your website. Okay, after developing and monetizing your website. Okay, this website is going to simply be monetized with Astera, Monta, and other ad network, and also you can utilize affiliate marketing. And what we're going to do right now is simply select the post section. So remember, the post has been selected already. We want to select neutral. Then length of content, we want to select medium. You can go with medium. All right, so what's your content about? So remember, if I'm promoting ManyChat, I have to come to my browser and search for ManyChat. All right, so that you can actually get all the keywords we want. Once you search for that, scroll down a little bit, you're going to see a lot of stuff people are searching for on this very platform. Okay, or you can use this AI tool right here, which is keywords. So come over to this section, type ManyChat, then click on search. Remember, we're targeting Google as our traffic search engine. You can see it has good CPM, which means this is also going to help you with your Astera and Montag, okay, that is already monetized on your website. So let's go down and we have ManyChat pricing. ManyChat is free. Is ManyChat free? ManyChat this and that. ManyChat automation. You can see their CPC right here. Everything is cool. All right, and we have ManyChat alternative, but we don't want to go for ManyChat alternative because we want to promote our affiliate link. Okay, ManyChat automation. Okay, then we'll go to pricing, AI. Okay, let's select that as well. Then after everything, you can click on copy. Right, you can copy the ones you've already selected from this very section. Okay, then go back to your auto blog, which is already set for you, then paste your stuff right here. Okay, so these are the things we want: ManyChat pricing, ManyChat AI, ManyChat automation, ManyChat review. Should be at the beginning. Let's cut it, place it here, push this one downwards. Okay, then that is what we want to write, and we have to simply scroll down here. What are your focus keywords? Let's just say this is all right. Then paste it here, then click on generate content. Just give it a while. This is going to simply do the work, and this is going to simply write an SEO optimized content for you. And the only work you need to do is simply read through it, review it, and also add your own voice, do some customization, and add your own affiliate link. Okay, so that if they visit, they can actually see your affiliate link. Okay, so you can see right here the blog has been generated with cool stuff right here. You can see the AI, you can see it, everything is cool. Then click on this edit as draft instead of publish. Okay, just to make sure that you organize this and also edit it, read through it, make sure it sounds so good like human before you publish it. Okay, because human beings are going to simply be coming, and also if there are things you need to add to the blog, you can go ahead and add it. Okay, so click on this edit as draft. Alright, so once you're on this very page right now, you have to simply go ahead and customize everything the way you want it. Okay, so make sure this is not here. All right, make sure you add your affiliate link. All right, after editing all of these things, I don't add it at the first paragraph. Just go down to the second one, then select something like this, then add here. Right, you can see you can make it bold. Make sure you select the only place you added the link, then make it bold from here. Okay, so you scroll down a bit, then this is what we have ManyChat here as well. Then add your link, make it bold. Okay, so you go down again for the pricing. You can add another place right here. Okay, then select this, paste the link here. Okay, you can add your link in 4 different places, and also at the ending part of your content, make sure you tell your audience or readers that this particular post contain an affiliate link, just like a disclaimer, so that they can actually know. All right, they can support you by clicking on it and purchasing from your link. Okay, so that's basically how it works, and this strategy is going to simply help you a lot. And remember, once you publish your blog content, then you're going to simply see your blog ranking on Google and generating you traffic. Okay, so all you need to do right now is simply go ahead and hit on this publish button after customizing everything the way you want it. Okay, hit on publish. All right, and you can view the post from here. All right, you can see our post right here. You can see these are the links right here, and if you click on any of these affiliate link here, it is actually going to simply take you to ManyChat. Okay, you can see right here, and you can simply get traffic to this particular website simply by sharing it on your Facebook page, your social media handles. You can use Pinterest to drive huge traffic on this very platform, or you can simply utilize our paid traffic method. I've already made a video on how you can actually generate traffic from Facebook. Okay, so this is a series. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and join us on our Telegram to stay updated on what we do here. See you in the next one.